In this video, we're going to identify identity, conditional, and inconsistent equations. It says determine if the following equation is an identity equation, a conditional equation, or an inconsistent equation. So an identity equation is when both sides are equal. Or you get a 0 or you get a 0 equals 0 situation. In that case, it's like infinite solutions. Okay, that'd be an infinite solution situation. Conditional equation, it's just your normal equation where you solve for x. And then inconsistent equation is when the variables cancel out and the sides aren't equal. In this situation, when that happens, that would be a no solution problem. So what we want to do to figure this stuff out is we start combining like terms on each side of the equation. So 9x minus 2x is 7x minus 2 equals, combine the 5 and the negative 7, that'd be 7x minus 2. You notice that both sides of the equation are equal, so the variables will cancel out when I subtract the 7x, and so will the 2's. So we have the identity equation for this. This is the identity equation. That'd be an infinite solution. Let's try another problem. In this problem, we'll combine some like terms. So we have negative 10 plus 3x is equal to 8x minus 8. Now you notice the variables are different on each side. Because the variables are different on each side, we know we're going to get a solution here. And when we solve this, I'll do it real quick. So we'll subtract 3x on each side. We get 5x minus 8. Let's add 8 to each side. So we get negative 2 equals 5x. And then we'll divide by 5. And we get negative 2/5 is equal to x. So you can see we ended up with a solution. And we knew we were going to get a solution because the variables were not equal to each other, the coefficients. So this is a conditional equation. Let's look at another example. Let's combine some like terms here, and we end up with 9 minus 3x is equal to 2 plus 6 will be 8, so we have 8 minus 3x. Now you'll notice the variables are going to cancel out here. If I add the 3x to each side, right, they disappear. I end up with 9 equals 8. But the sides are not equal, so this would be a no solution situation where we have an inconsistent equation. That's how you identify identity, conditional, and inconsistent equations.